If you want to start using the paid version of Card, you should click on the link in the description to get the best discounts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cute card. First, make sure you're on the website of Card, and then click the button Choose a Starting Point. After that, you'll be redirecting to a list of templates, and if you want to start from a scratch, you can just click the blank page. But in this case, I'm going to click the blank page. Once you're on the build website, you'll see there a template. You can just delete it. Now let's begin. Let's start with the background. Click it and you'll see the editor appear on the left. In the color section, change your background color to anything you want. If you want solid or if you want a gradient one. In this case, I'm going to choose pink. And you'll find patterns. You can apply and customize the pattern size and color to match your styles. It's up to you. In my case, I choose this because I want a design like a ice cream with a sprinkles on it like that. And then I size it down to a smaller size. Now for the main content of my card, on the top right, click the plus button icon. You'll see an option like text, images, buttons, and more. There are also lock features available in the paid version. Let's start by adding a container. The container helps organize content, and from there you can add images, text, or buttons, customize each other elements with colors and fonts, and match your aesthetic. Like that. In this case, I'm going to color it something match with the background color. Something warm, something aesthetic for me. You can also resize its shape. You can also put a padding on it if you'd like a much more higher space above or below the main content. And then I want a rounded container. That's why I increase the corner rounding and also the margins for tap and the width of my container. It's up to you. Now, as you can see here, the difference when you increase the padding of each sides. As you scroll down, you'll see here another feature for editing your container. You can put a drop down shadow or a pattern or a border if you'd like to. You can also change its angle, distance, blur, and the color of the shadow. That's why card is so much fun, especially when using containers, because containers lets you organize and style your contents with ease, offering with flexibilities and neat layout options. Just like what I am doing, you can customize their size, color, and position to fit your design perfectly. They act as your building blocks, making your card look professional without any hassle. Now, to add a content on your container, just click this box and then choose columns in type. In here, you can adjust each columns by their size, width, and their alignment also. You can also put a one column by clicking this use a space. Columns are really great for organizing your content neatly because they allow you to place elements like text and images side by side, making your design look more structured and professional. Then click image. In this case, I want to put a image on my container because I want to achieve a portfolio type of cute card, something like that. So in here, I'm going to upload my picture. Now to crop it down, just crop it to your desired size. It's up to you. And then once you're done, just click save and that's it. You can also link a URL on your photo and you can also edit it, like you can adjust the width, you can adjust the height, you can adjust the shape, you can customize the corner rounding, you can put a border, and you can also put a drop down shadow. It's up to you. If you want to put a element in one container, you'll just need to add a column. The maximum column for a container is 5, so you can't really put much more elements in a container. You'll need to add a new container for that. So I already finished my profile. Now I want to add a text. Click the plus button and click the text. It will automatically add to your container. Now if you want to put it beside, just drag it down to the blank container. And as you click, you'll see on the left side is the editor for the text. In this case, I'm going to label it first as my name. In here, you can also customize your text. You can change fonts, colors, and animation if you'd want to. But in this case, I'm going to make it a little simple because my theme is a cute card. So it should be a something girly card. Now, if you notice, it has a huge space. Well, unlike the other elements, text can be put as many as you want in a one container. So you don't have to worry for the text you're going to input or drag in to the container. Now I'm going to put a image in my card. So first, just click the plus button and drag down the gallery. But before that, I'm going to search on Google for some references. So in this case, I'm going to search for a cherry background. Since my theme is inspired to a song from the Philippines, which is Cherry on Top, but with a twist of a cute theme. Something like that. If you know the theme of Lolita dolls, they're more on pastel colors like some cute stuff. So that's what I am doing right now. So download the image and then save it to your computer. Make sure it's a JPEG file format or a PNG. Once you're done downloading it, go to your card and then you can drag the gallery or just click it. Now, once the gallery is on your card, click upload and then select your photo, then crop it to your desired size. Once you're done, just simply click the accept button and that's it. You can adjust the width if you'd like to. If you want something long or something like that, but still it's up to you. But in my case, I'm going to make it smaller as much as possible to stick with the original size for my photos and name. So as you can see, it might not be that good, but I'm trying my best to make it cuter. So if you found this too simple or too, not that good, excuse my design. So that's it. That's how you made a cute design in card. So if you want to add more or something you want to execute in card, you can just take my tutorial as your guide for the elements and how to use and put them. And that's it. That's how you made a cute in card. Even it's not that appealing, but yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.